Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And today we'll show you how to install a Google Tag Manager on your Shopify webpage. First things first, make sure you have a Google account. And then go to your Google Tag Manager. From here, it'll show you a list of all the accounts that you have connected to your Google Tag Manager. For now, let's add a new account. So select Create Account. Put in all the details of the account you wish to make. And the most important part is to have a proper container name or URL for this account. Select Web and then select Create. Here you can see the terms of service for the Google Tag Manager. Select I accept. Then go ahead and finish making an account with your Google Tag Manager. Now we can see the workspace for the new account that you've made. Select Install Google Tag Manager and then take the code shown below and paste it onto every page of the website for your Shopify account. So go back to your Shopify webpage, select Themes, select the three dots, and then select Edit Code. Then you want to access theme.liquid. Look for the line that says Head. Go ahead and make some brackets so that you don't edit the other code listed on the theme.liquid page. Now paste the code in the page. Additionally, you can take the code listed below and paste it directly after the line that says Body. You're going to have to scroll down through the theme.liquid file to see that code. Once you found it, go ahead and paste the code into your page. Don't forget to click on Save to save any changes you've made. And there you go. You have now installed a Google Tag into your Shopify webpage. Feel free to repeat this process for every page of your Shopify website. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you learned something new. More content to follow.